Those are just our frozen whole strawberries, which I cut into bits. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle some brown sugar around all those strawberries. Just kind of eyeballing it and making an even layer. Now I'm coming in with my Grand's limited edition cinnamon rolls. These are strawberry cream. And I'm just bringing these over here. Now that I've got those cut into quarters, I am just going to put these into my large mixing bowl. I want to make sure they're fully separated. And we're actually going to be using 2 packages today, so I am going to cut up another package. Now that I've got my 2 packages cut up, I'm just going to add in some more of these sort of diced up strawberries. I just put these in the food processor. To this, I'm actually going to add some cream cheese, white chocolate chips. I'm gonna go ahead and put that whole bag in there, yummy. And I'm gonna use a drizzle of heavy whipping cream. We wanna use about 1/4 of a cup. I'm just eyeballing that. Alrighty, I'm moving this to the side for 1 second. Here I've got 1 stick of melted butter. I'm gonna add some more brown sugar to this, probably about 1/2 cup. Great. And I'm using my Saigon cinnamon. I'm just putting in about a teaspoon of that. Let me get this all mixed up and combined. Ooh, this is gonna be so delicious. Look at that. This is gonna go over our cinnamon rolls and just be absolutely the finishing touch. Bringing this back in, and I am just going to pour this all on top. Yum. I just put on a pair of gloves and I'm gonna start all tossing this together. I wanna make sure everything is evenly dispersed. Those cinnamon rolls are all getting marinated in that delicious brown sugar butter sauce and our heavy whipping cream. And of course, those strawberries and chips are just dispersed throughout. Oh, I think this looks amazing, y'all. I cannot wait to try these limited edition strawberry cream cinnamon rolls. Alrighty, I'm coming back in with my bundt pan here, and we're just gonna start piling this delicious mixture in. Oh, you guys, this is one of my favorite easy desserts to make, and I thought a strawberry edition would just be so good. Perfect for spring or summer, perfect like breakfast when you're having the family over. That's one of my favorite things about the summer, the kids being off school and being able to get together with family you don't always get to see if they live different places. And this is such a fun little addition to make that everyone will love. And I'm just trying to get this kind of evenly spread in here, so we'll have a flat bottom. And you know what? Since I've got a little bit more of my chopped up strawberries here, I am just going to pile these guys in on top. We're gonna have those baking in to a base layer of our cinnamon rolls. Yum! Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our strawberry delicacy is baked. I'm gonna just put my plate on top, right, just like that. Ooh, I can't wait. This is probably still pretty hot. I need my gloves to take this off. All right. Time for the final reveal. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Our strawberries in there, cream cheese, chips, and of course, our strawberries and cream cinnamon rolls. Ooh, I'm gonna just try and just drizzle a little bit of this strawberries and cream frosting that came with it on top. Kind of just finish this off. Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. All right, let's cut in here. She is a little more jammy than some monkey breads because we had those strawberries in there. Put my plate down. Look at that, oh my gosh, delicious. Alrighty, y'all, come here, Andrew.
Ooh, monkey bread, my favorite. And with strawberries, this is gonna be delicious. Let me get all of that gooey goodness. That strawberry flavor. Delicious.
Y'all, you gotta try it.